How to duplicate workspace in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to duplicate workspace in monday.com. So this is my dashboard. You can go to your dashboard, and as you can see on the left side here, there is the workspace, but you cannot basically you cannot duplicate workspace because there is no option to duplicate it. But as you know, workspace contains items like boards, projects, portfolio, and others. So basically we can duplicate the items in the workspace. So first you can open your workspace and then you can choose the board. Let's say I want to choose this board, and then you can click three dots in the board here, and then as you can see there is an option to duplicate. You can click it, and then you can choose the name. Let's say a duplicate of this one, and then you can choose what to duplicate. I'm gonna choose board structure only, and then you can choose keep board subscribers, and then click duplicate, and it's gonna duplicating. As you can see, this is my duplicate board, and now you can modify it, you can edit it, and you can test something. So it's not gonna change anything on the real one, the original one. So you can you can test anything on your new board. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.